Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and that is my 2020 Toyota Supra that I off-roaded the crap out of in yesterday's video. So if you missed that, make sure to check it out.
I actually almost like the way it looks with all the dirt. Check out the back of the car. It is absolutely caked. Holy moly.
So this morning, Supercar Blondie texted me and said she's got an insane car that she won't tell me what it is, but I've got to come check it out. You guys know Supercar Blondie. She drives some of the most crazy concept rare cars in the world. So if she's saying this thing's wild, I'm excited to see what it is. Let's roll.
Damn, the interior is so dusty.
What we got, Alex? All right, 2 miles till empty, and we're stuck in the middle of the canyons. It's gonna be an interesting day.
Crazy car that we're filming today.
What is it? What is it, Alex? All right. Oh boy, I think I see it. Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
This is unbelievable.
Crazy.
I am pleasantly unsurprised, I should say. Supercar Blondie, everyone, for those of you who don't know, which is probably impossible. I've got a link in the description below for her channel. What can you tell me about this? I don't even know what I'm looking at.
Mate, look, first thing you need to see is this helmet. Look how crazy this is. Right,
what
this
on
here,
earth? It's see-through.
Yeah, it's see-through. It's like, this is like something from Aliens First Predators, right? Doesn't it kind of remind you of that? This here, come and look at this. When you're driving this, right, it's a race car. So as the cabin goes down, your helmet plugs into the back here, and what happens is it feeds you oxygen and water as you're racing around the track.
No way.
That's kind of cool, isn't it?
That is pretty cool.
I've never seen that before.
Not to mention the helmet just looks aesthetically pleasing.
The helmet is super cool.
So
I mean,
what's the name of this Supercar Blondie concept car special?
I suppose we should start with the name, right?
We might.
This is the FF01. FF stands for Faraday Future, and 01, this is like where they all started. This is the first ever car that they kind of came up with. This is their vision for the future. It's fully electric race car.
I was gonna say, what I do know about Faraday Future is they had that SUV that's gonna eventually hit the roads, crazy fast, all electric.
Yeah.
I've seen some videos of that accelerating and
I was just talking to the guys. I was like, so how fast really is it? And they were like all discussing, and they're like, it's 2.48 seconds, 0 to 100. I was like, are you sure about the 4.8? They're like, yeah, definitely. It's not 2.5, it's like 2.48.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so it's super fast. And that is literally, like, it works right now. That's how fast it is right now.
So this is an all-electric race car. The design language is unbelievable.
It's incredible. Like the back, you have to go and see the back.
Okay, I haven't even seen the back yet. Look, we've got Hoosier slicks on the front. This thing is so low to the ground.
Yeah, oh yeah.
We've got this beautiful shark fin that kind of reminds me of a Le Mans car or a Project One Mercedes.
Exactly. And this also, what they're going to do is, if this was plugged in right now, this would actually light up. It would be a display.
No.
Yeah. So, for example, it would show you your latest track time.
Or subscribe to Supercar Blondie, potentially.
Right. All that. So you could pretty much have anything you want on the tail fin, which is kind of cool. And obviously it's there for, you know, aerodynamic purposes, etc.
Guys, look at the rear diffuser on this car. It almost, in some ways, reminds me of the Valkyrie. It's got these massive Venturi tunnels in the bottom. The fins for the rear diffuser are so low, they're touching the ground. And I've never seen see-through rear diffuser fins.
Yeah, it's quite cool, isn't it? And you know what's also cool? See how it's totally open on both sides of the cabin?
Yeah.
Like you see straight through.
Oh, you can not only see through the side of the car, but all the way to the front of the car.
Yeah.
From the rear.
Yeah, because you know on these newer supercars or hypercars, you can pretty much see from here, can't you, all the way back through. But this one takes you all the way to the front. Yeah, which is quite cool.
So then on the inside, we got a single seater. That's where the air and water comes out. And then we've got a steering wheel with what looks like almost a smartphone. Oh, that's exactly what it is. A smartphone for your front dash.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That's innovative.
How all front dashes should be, no? Like they should be smartphones. And look at this. Like, see how it's separated here, the accelerator and the brake, which is kind of smart.
I like that
because you know when you're
very
going high
race car.
speeds, you know you don't want to slip on the wrong pedal, right? And what else is there?
Wow.
I suppose, so all the batteries are just here in the middle, right, all the way along. And the thing is that what they're trying to do is from this same platform, they can take everything about this platform and transfer it into another Faraday Future car. So you don't, what we're going to see is this exact technology, this exact same platform on like 5, 7, 10 different looking cars.
So are we going to take this to the drag strip right now, or?
No.
Maybe someday.
it's currently a concept. I wish we could. That would be so awesome. But this is kind of what I'm getting sick of. I'm like, it's a concept. Like, it doesn't actually drive properly. You know, why can't we actually see these cars on the road right now? Which is kind of frustrating. But the cool thing is, we're about to see another car from Faraday Future that you would think is a concept, but it's not.
This day has just gotten so good. I was gonna take the day off, and when Supercar Blondie hits you up and says there's a wild car, you need to come check it out, and I can't tell you what it is, you show up. You show up. Okay, that is one cool looking concept car. Could you imagine if you actually saw this driving down the road? I mean, just casually? I want one. So they told me I didn't have enough followers to drive it, but Supercar Blondie is gonna be able to.
Mate, you just opted out because you didn't want to die. It's a race car.
I like that you can see the driver's feet from the outside, and I can also see that I don't know if you're tall enough to even reach the horse.
No, I'm just tall enough.
Oh, that's that's a bummer, because I was gonna say
otherwise
I'm a little bit taller than you,
Yeah. Okay, do you want to get in? I'd love to see you get into this.
I'm down.
Okay.
After you.
Well, okay, I'll go for a little bit and then you can get in. Yeah?
Perfect. I've been given the opportunity to climb in the car, although after watching Alex get in and out, I don't think I'm going to be quite as graceful.
That's why I'm filming, so I can get this on cam.
I was like, why are there 2 cameras right now?
It's not the easiest. So they're saying this is probably the strongest part of the car.
Okay.
Right here. So if you pop your butt cheeks on that and then kind of swivel over.
Parkour.
Hey! That's pretty elegant.
Not bad.
Oh, sorry, forgot to warn you about that.
That was painful. Oh, this is too cool. I think I need one. Wow. Look at that interior, guys. So in just a few moments' time, we're actually going to get a ride in the Faraday Future FF91, which is a production car that's gonna hit the streets at the end of 2020. It's right over there. Apparently, it is crazy fast. Okay, me and Supercar Blondie in the Faraday Future 91 for the first time.
This is super cool.
I gotta say, it's actually really nice in the interior.
It's really comfy.
It's comfortable. Check out the legroom, guys. We've got screens on the doors for your climate controls, as well as adjusting the seats. We've got a massive, you know, kind of Tesla-style display in the front there. And then look at the passenger display. Yeah. That is way cool.
Like you can watch movies and stuff on there. Like it's massive.
Apparently they have another option where there's a massive 27-inch screen that folds down.
Yeah.
There's other screens here on the passenger seats. And you were saying it was kind of fast or something?
2.48 seconds, 0 to 100. That's what we're about to experience right now.
Okay.
Yep, you ready? Okay. Okay, ready? Hold on. Go. Holy shit,
we're still going. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah. Okay, was not.
Holy crap.
Listen to that. Oh.
It seems like it starts accelerating faster as it progresses,
it's
which
like
is abnormal for an electric car.
Exactly. It's like the first second you're like, yeah, fast. And you're like, whoa, hang on a minute.
But this, you mentioned 1,000 horsepower?
Over 1,000.
Over 1,000 horsepower.
1,050 horsepower.
Okay, so that's why it kind of feels like it takes off.
Right.
The Tesla has that 0 to 20 that's like, bam.
Right.
But then it dies out.
With this one, you don't feel like you're going to break your neck as soon as it takes off. That's the difference, I feel. Like in a Tesla, as soon as you take off, like your head slams back into the seat. Although we could test that right now. Do you want to?
What?
Like not put your head against the backrest and see what happens?
Let's do it.
How extreme it is? Okay. All right.
Ab workout. Let's do it.
Go. No. Oh, okay.
That's not happening.
I take that back.
Oh!
Oh, dude. Listen to that. This is awesome.
Some slides in an all-wheel drive electric car.
You don't get that.
You don't get that very often.
You just don't.
Rolling in silence into the Faraday Future facility to go check out another FF91 with an even nicer interior than this.
Yes.
Let's go. Look at that. Automatic opening doors. Pretty ambient lighting. And look, you guys, the outside of this. I like the styling.
Pretty cool, hey. Like, I don't mind, like, look at the...
I like the little illuminated badge in the front.
Yeah, it's quite nice. Right, I'm gonna show you something cooler over this way.
I feel like I'm in a Supercar Blondie video right now.
Welcome to my world.
What movie was this car in?
Yeah, right, exactly.
Oh
this
my
is what
gosh.
it actually looks like. These are the lazy boys. Look how far back you lie.
Okay, when have you seen a car with seats like this?
Look how far back you're lying.
Oh my gosh.
It's almost like airline seat business
No, this is like
class.
first class
Yeah.
flight. I could actually sleep in here.
Yeah, it's
Let me
crazy.
see this real quick and check this out, guys. There's the 27-inch screen. I've never been in the rear. I've never had a rear seat car experience like this. And then for it to accelerate just like that while you're lying down.
Which is super cool, right? So it's like luxurious in the back, but also kind of really, really quick and sporty.
Business in the front, party in the back.
Yeah. When the production cars come out, this screen will literally be standard in every single car, and these lazy boys will go all the way back to the position that you're lying in now. And then you've got this other screen in the front for the passenger. And then the other cool thing is, they've got speakers in the headrest, right? So if the front passenger is on like a conference call.
Oh, no way.
Right? So you can
That's
be
so
on like
smart.
a conference call on this screen as a front passenger, and you can, it's all, what do they call it, like smart speaker system, so it's just encapsulated.
It's directional, just pointed at you, yeah.
Exactly, it's directional, and so you can hear what's going on here, and then the back passengers can listen or watch Netflix or whatever they want on this screen, and the speakers come out of these headrests, so it's all directional. So it's pretty cool.
It is. Having seat controls on the door is nice because sometimes if you're wearing a watch, which you're wearing a beautiful watch, you can scratch it and it's kind of jammed between the door and the seat often, but having them on the actual door itself.
Right.
But I've never seen it touchscreen and also having temperature controls.
Pretty cool car,
That's crazy.
I haven't seen these lit up yet. Look at the taillights.
Oh, wow.
That's cool, isn't it?
And that almost looks like the Cento Dieci
exactly.
Bugatti. That is, holy moly. Check out the steering wheel. I actually really like the shape and size of this, but even cooler, the floating digital instrument cluster on top of that. Wow. And then we've got a modular platform that they can use for many different cars in the future. So they built one platform that they could create an SUV on, perhaps a sedan, maybe a supercar, change the length of it for tons of different applications. So one concern that some people have with electric cars is the longevity of the batteries. Obviously, we know they're really expensive to replace currently, and also disposing of them poses some difficulties. But what's really cool about Faraday Future is instead of, if one cell goes bad on the massive lithium-ion battery pack in a Tesla, you'd have to replace the entire battery. This actually is removable in what they refer to as strings. I don't know a whole bunch about battery technology, but if we look at this, we've got 6 different strings of batteries, this being one of them, and if one of the cells goes bad, you can just replace one of the strings instead of all 6. And because this is modular, you can choose the size of the battery, the cumulative total kilowatt hours, depending upon the application. Okay, check this out, guys. You can actually open the doors of the car from your phone, or if you're wearing an Apple Watch, from your Apple Watch. Check this out. Have you ever seen Siri open car doors? Open all doors. Okay, how cool is that? And as you approach the car, it comes awake with these really cool graphics on the side. This is actually going to be in the production car. I mean, this looks like straight out of concept car. And then we come in here, the most important part is that you can actually watch Vehicle Virgins videos on the screen. Check that out. And now I am in the back of the Faraday Future 9.1 in the Lazy Boy chair compared to the more upright chair. This is unbelievable. I could actually spend 10 hours on a long road trip in the back of this. So seriously, thank you so much to Faraday Future for having me out here. But more importantly, thank you so much to Supercar Blondie for the invite.
Yeah, no worries,
I didn't know what to expect. Originally, I was like, well, she's giving me no info, should I be scared? And I was like, you know, it's gonna be ridiculous.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna shoot something crazy.
Oh, thanks for coming out.
Today was amazing.
It was cool.
So make sure to subscribe to her channel, link in the description below. We'll have to film some more together.
Yeah,
this is
for
fun.
sure. I'll see you guys really, really soon. Love you.
See you next video.